Today I'm going to do an experiment to see what fruit fly trap works best. I'm just testing 4 different kinds today, but I'll be making more videos about this and then making the winners go against winners, and I'll be testing a lot of them to see what one works the best. I'm using malt vinegar, cooking wine, or red wine vinegar, and water as a control, so I'll know if they just randomly landed there or if they're actually like the smells. There are a lot of different types of fly traps, but for this one you just put the liquid in the bowl and then you put some soap in, so instead of landing there and drinking, they'll sink to the bottom and die. In another video, I'll be doing a different type of fruit fly trap and doing a lot of different liquids. I made sure each bowl had the exact same amount of soap and liquid. This one's the cooking oil. This one is the malt vinegar. This one's the apple cider vinegar. And this is the water. Now all I have to do is wait and see how many fruit flies they each catch. I don't know how long I'll be waiting yet. I'll tell you when it's done. I'll just see how many fruit flies I catch. And probably once one of them gets to like 20 or something, I'll stop. I'll probably make sure all of them have caught at least one fruit fly though. Or at least all but one, because the water probably won't catch any. Most of my fruit flies are at the sink, so I'm gonna put them right here so I'll catch more. It's been about 2 hours and the malt vinegar's already got one. You probably can't see it, but it's right there. And it sunk to the bottom and it's dead. There's a lot of fruit flies flying around them. There's some on the bowls. None of the other ones have caught any though. So the malt vinegar has 1, the other ones have 0. I think the red wine vinegar will win though, which is this one. I'm making a chart to show how many flies they got for like each hour. So it's caught in 1 fly after about 2 hours. So it goes up to 18 hours. I'll probably make it longer though, but whatever one wins at the end is the winner. It's been a few days and I've caught a lot of flies. So I put all of them by the sink, but I'm going to show you how much flies each of them caught. So, red wine vinegar caught no flies, which was annoying because that's the one I thought would win. And also, I've caught over 50 fruit flies in one night with it before. And then the water caught one. And the malt vinegar caught 4. And the cooking wine got 12 of them. So the cooking wine wouldn't buy a lot. Then the malt vinegar, then water, and then red wine vinegar. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for my next videos that are going to do even more fruit fly traps.